all precious metals have performed exceptionally well, especially in 2025. And we can see from this illustration, just this year alone, all the metals from its trough for the year to its recent high, gold has up 73%, silver up 164%, and platinum up 172%. In today's tutorial, we'll discuss if the precious metals rally will persist in 2026 and why platinum looks interesting to me. As we can see, just the last 2 weeks alone, it has rallied more than gold and silver. My name is Con Hao. My work in this channel is to study behavior science and finance, discover the correlation between different markets, and uncover potential opportunities. This analysis is based on technical studies and does not constitute financial advice. Please consult your licensed broker before investing. And since the beginning of the year, I place a strong emphasis on silver and platinum, especially in platinum. Silver was last year, and this year it is platinum. And let's look at the past case study that I did just this year alone. Let's go to platinum itself. And I posted 3 case study on the platinum, and we're going to cover all of them and see what is their outcome for these 3 case study. In January this year, the title was Platinum Next to Rally after gold and silver. And the discussion was that at a point in time, gold hit the highest point, and I believe silver is next to run, and subsequently platinum to catch up. And it seems to me that there's a rotational play. And of course, that was then I have no hindsight, but today we're seeing that result here. And let's look at what happened here on the gold, silver, platinum superimposed chart here, that we could see that indeed that silver has went up much more than gold in terms of not the prices, but in terms of the rate of change. The rate of change, the silver in terms of percentage gain has rallied more than gold. And we just saw that platinum seems to be catching up. And so that was the outcome that we're seeing. And I suspect that there's more room for platinum moving forward into 2026. And let's look at the other tutorial that we did in October. Then the title was Platinum Rallied More Than Gold and Silver. And that was in October. And indeed that we saw that based on October, it has rallied more than gold and silver just this year alone. It was up 102%. But as of now, today, we saw that platinum still staying pretty strong, way above the silver and gold at up 172%. And before we discuss about the current trend, which is in October, I also discussed about the title, platinum to break all-time high as gold in 2024. And we discussed about gold broken is above its all-time high then in 2024. And this year, silver has also broken its all-time high, historical all-time high in 2025. But I'm suspecting that was in October that platinum may also broke its all-time high soon. And just to give you a preview, where's platinum right now, indeed, yes, broke its all-time high just the past few days. And before I discuss about trend, I thought I should just bring to some fundamental and to understand about why I feel that platinum has more upside. So is silver and gold. I do not think that the precious metal is done yet. Let's talk about the usage in platinum. And let's zoom this in here. It is just like gold and silver that is found in the earth crust. It is highly resistant to corrosion and tarnishing, and it is rarer and more difficult to find or mine than gold. Now, because of its high melting point at around 1700 degrees Celsius, it is widely used as a catalytic converter in petrol and diesel engines to reduce harmful emission. So do you believe that the petrol and diesel will stay for, or maybe there's an increase in demand? I'm not exactly sure. I'm not an expert on that. But let me just bring you a strong key proposition here, which I believe the key reason for the rally is for all the precious metal is the uncertainty of inflation ahead. And it is still a concern. The inflation fear still lingers. And between gold, silver, and platinum, there is a rotational play among them. And let's look at what I meant here. And when gold get too expensive, rate represent the gold, and we could see that this year, especially for this year, silver draw interest from the investor. While gold was like at 4,000, silver back then is still trading at around maybe about 30 plus. We saw a pent-up demand for silver, and just a few months ago, silver was at 30 plus dollars, and today we're seeing silver at 72 US dollars. Investor always look for alternative if they believe that inflation is going to stay. Gold get a bit too pricey, they'll always look for alternative. And now seems like the alternative for investor, they are getting into the platinum. And let's discuss about the topic about will platinum break all-time high in gold, which it did. Let's look at the result, and that was the tutorial that I shared in 28th of October, I think so. And was it 28 October? Let's look at the date here. Yep, that was 28 October. And today, indeed, it has went up much higher. And what is my trading plan here since I break above its all-time high? And I'm convinced at a point in time that this downtrend over the past few decades have broken above. And that was what we have discussed on this very nice downtrend line. It has broken very clearly to me that market is moving up. And if you ask me where is the retracement, of course, what we're looking at here is the monthly chart. And what I'm expecting here is that if you narrow down to the daily chart, you'll see quite a bit of retracement along the timeline here. As it broke above, there's retracement, and I expect that there will be retracement as well. So I'll be looking out for buying opportunity from time to time for the platinum. As long as inflation fear still lingers and on the next crisis, QE is still an option for most central banks, which in return will create more inflation. And I believe that precious metals should continue to stay elevated. As of now, I'm seeing platinum still have a lot of runway ahead compared to the other precious metals. Feel free to leave any comments below. I love to exchange ideas with you on what is about to come. Really happy that I stayed through this tutorial. You have many great trading weeks ahead.